Hey everyone. Alright, I got my second consignment bag today from Poshmark. I was supposed to get 4 this week. That's what I signed up for, thinking I'd get maybe 2 at least because I've been having some canceling, but all 4 of those cancels and then I randomly got 1 today. So let's see what I got. I'm hoping better than the last one, but not hopeful. Yeah, okay. So we got this Trixie dress. Not even sure where that's from. Cut loose. I do sell this brand, so that is pretty good. You know. Some DKNY little jean jacket. London Times dress. Don't really sell that brand. I send it into ThreadUp when I find it, but obviously I can't do that. Mariana Luna top. I don't know that brand. Oh no, this is a skirt. Like from some local overstock place. The brand's Tranquility. The last Jan's overstock had it for $7.75, so a Columbia dress. Okay, it's good for the season right now. Paper and tee, a tunic top. Work with me here. Blue Island dress. Not sure about that brand either. This bag's pretty full, honestly. Boho Me. It's a cute dress, but I'm not sure of the brand. Maybe like TJ Maxx or something like that. Here's a Gap. Nice dress for this season. The good thing is they're all like bigger sizes, like large, extra large, 10, a little Anne Klein maxi dress, or midi, can't tell. Freedom Trail, another dress, haven't heard of that brand. We have Joie, midi or maxi dress. Blended pants. Thread and Supply faux leather leggings. Ivy Lane dress. Haven't heard of that brand. Okay, and here's a brand I would pick up. It's Kuhl. They sell pretty well. I've never saw a dress before, so I've never found one actually, but okay. Here's a Tahari. I think that's an older label. NPG. I think that's Target or Walmart. I think Target. I can never say this brand. Bobo, I think. JCPenney or Kohl's. Oh, it's a jumpsuit. Kenneth Cole. Calvin Klein. Philosophy. Ombre. Vince Camuto. Massimo. Vince Camuto. Forever Fashion. Max Studio. Canar. Beach Lunch Lounge. Mazik. Oh, and that was it. So, I mean, these aren't the brands that I would typically pick up to sell, because I usually sell mid-tier to higher end brands, you know. These seem like they're from TJ Maxx, which I'm not hating on TJ Maxx at all. I love TJ Maxx. But they're already, you know, kind of lower price, so it's a little bit harder to resell those. But I'm going to give it a try. Like I said, these are really great in season midi maxi dresses, sleeveless. It's perfect right now because it's really hot. And they're great sizes, so I mean, I'm gonna have a go at it. I'm gonna keep trying this for a little bit and see what happens. Stay tuned.